I'm Greg Copeland from Ixia, Senior Technical Manager, and with me I have Jason Suss from Dynatrace, and I'd like to talk to you today about how Ixia and Dynatrace work together, but first let's learn a little bit about Dynatrace. Can you tell us briefly about your company and what you do and how it benefits customers?
Dynatrace is one of the market leaders in application performance management or digital performance management, and essentially it's providing the information that's important to customers to understand the level of service that's being delivered to their end users, the performance of their applications, and essentially how well everything inside their data center and the applications that are being delivered outside of the data center are performing, whether it be by mobile or fixed point ways of accessing them.
And how does Ixia help your solution and benefit customers further?
Sure, so good question. One of the many ways that we're able to get data from applications and understand performance is by looking at what's known as wire data. So essentially taps or spans or some way that network data that's going between client and server, and it's become more and more difficult to do. It used to be where you could create a single span off of a network switch and all the traffic would be there. But as these data centers have gotten more and more complicated, it's become more and more challenging to get access to the correct traffic in the right place at the right time. And so with Ixia, we're able to get a good, clean feed of all the different traffic that's out there in the environment, whether it be from client to server or server to server or within a virtual environment, and that traffic can be brought together to an Ixia appliance and aggregated and deduplicated and filtered, and then we get a clean stream of traffic to our monitoring probe that allows us to understand exactly what's going on and without any type of false positives or any type of inaccurate information.
And how important is it to scale your deployments, and how does Ixia help with that?
Sure, so scale is always a concern to our customers. Data centers are getting bigger and bigger, and the data is more and more, and applications are getting larger and larger. And so to be able to get that traffic to multiple devices, load balancing becomes very important.
Thank you for talking to us today.
Excellent.